The new IRB 1660ID provides up to 10% shorter cycle times in arc welding and enables excellent accessibility for machine tending with up to 50% reduced maintenance costs. Today's quality demands in arc welding applications requires heavier weld guns and better control of the wire feeding to secure excellent and even quality in high volume production. The new IRB 1660ID therefore has a more robust upper arm with increased 6 kg payload to handle these new weld guns. The integrated dress pack, combined with the new compact wrist design, makes it possible to create high-density cells with simplified reorientation and better accessibility. The new IRB 1660ID has more powerful wrist motors with higher acceleration and deceleration properties. This, combined with ABB's TrueMove and QuickMove technology, can shorten cycle times up to 10% compared with the competition. The new IRB 1660ID provides superb accuracy for high-quality welding. The path repeatability is now only 0.05 millimeters thanks to the new wrist design and the new process mode, Accuracy Mode, which optimizes path accuracy in low to medium speeds. The TCP reorientation accuracy is now only 0.3 millimeters with the absolute accuracy option. The new wrist-in combination with third-generation enhanced absolute accuracy measurement provides outstanding motion control, which simplifies both offline and online programming, as well as exchangeability for both parts and the whole robot. Highly productive for machine tending in confined spaces with compact, fast and robust IP67 wrist. Thanks to the integrated dress pack, there's no need to slow down due to swinging of cables. Combined with Robot Studio simulations, it provides shorter and predictable cycle times. Unequaled output with up to 10% shorter cycle times in AW cycles compared with the competition. Unrivaled welding quality thanks to outstanding accuracy and capacity to handle high-performance guns. Highly productive for machine tending in confined spaces with compact, fast and robust IP67 wrist.
Extremely fast, streamlined, and robust. The KR Agilus small robot family. In handling tasks, especially pick-and-place tasks, KUKA small robots demonstrate one of their greatest strengths: extreme speed. Points can be reached both near to the robot base and also in the overhead area. High repeatability and precision guarantee manufacturing quality at the highest level. For extremely streamlined contours, KUKA small robots have their energy supply system rooted internally. Installation on the floor, wall, or ceiling. The KUKA small robots produce impressive results in every position. The KR Agilus is operated using the powerful KR-C4 compact controller technology, offering maximum performance in minimum space.
To be ahead of his time, that's what Patrick Pfaff has been fascinated by his entire life. Approaching the new, exploring uncharted waters, that's his passion. He calls himself a futurist.
Zukunftstyp.
Maybe that's why here at KUKA, He's advancing innovation in technology management. As a technology owner, he works on tomorrow's technologies. His ultimate objectives are mobile robots that provide utmost flexibility and a great deal more. Intelligent robots that decide on their work stages themselves, getting ever more efficient with every move they make. Looks like we were born for Industry 4.0.
Orange Intelligenz.
The KUKA stories now at KUKA.com.